What's going on, guys? Happy New Year. Alright, I just got done rebuilding this guy. I'll give you guys a little build overview. I built this guy originally 2 years ago. And I said I was going to do a build overview, but I never did. This is probably my favorite truck to drive. I based it off of Straight Up Racing's Rockstar truck. It's got a kind of a short chassis design on it, so it makes it really good for quick little flips. So this truck originally started as the Gravedigger Losi LMT. I bought it right when it came out, never even drove it, stripped it all down, and started the project 2 years ago. On this truck, I'm running the Golden Year J Concepts with the black tributes and the Freestyle RC adapters. You could see the size difference between the racer tires and the Golden Years. It's got the NSDRC RS800 V2 Trial Servo Saver. Underneath, you could see my drive shaft hoops, 3D printed. Painted yellow to stand out. Got the Trial axle housings front and rear. Same setup as I got on my new truck here. You can also see how I took the new build to kind of another level. Added a heck of a lot more detail to this guy, which is pretty basic. I just bent up some aluminum sheet metal for the side panels and the roof. I basically welded up this cage to fit right around the stock LMT chassis plates, and all the internal electronics and battery tray. I wanted to keep it fairly simple, easy to replace parts with the LMT parts. So I got the stock shocks, stock links. What's fun about this truck is I don't really have to worry about Lexan body panels or anything. Just crash it as much as you want. Cage holds up. You can see after 2 years of abuse, I got a little bendage going on there. But other than that, it's held up pretty good. It definitely looks a lot better now that I cleaned it up. This is definitely my favorite truck to shoot videos with. So versatile. You can do a lot of crazy moves that you can't do with a more traditional truck like this with the longer chassis. We'll talk about this one more later. But for this guy, yeah, I shoot probably 80% of my videos with this truck right here. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.